Bubbles. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, it bounces to the beat. C is for cat with a purr so neat. D is for dog with paws and feet. Let's sing ABCs. Learning's fun, as easy as can be. Clap your hands and follow me. We'll know them all, just wait and see. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for giraffe, so very tall. H is for hat, wear it big or small. Let's sing ABCs. Learning's fun, as easy as can be. Clap your hands and follow me. We'll know them all, just wait and see. I is for igloo, cold as snow. J is for jump, up we go. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, here it's roar in the sky. M is for moon, shining at night. N is for nest, where birds take flight. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for pig, making a snorting sound. Let's sing the ABCs. Learning's fun, as easy as can be. Clap your hands and follow me. We'll know them all, just wait and see. Q is for queen with a crown to wear. R is for rabbit, hopping here and there. S is for sun, warm and bright. T is for train, chugging through the night. Q is for umbrella, on a rainy day. V is for violin, let the music play. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, play a melody. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now we know our ABCs. We sang them all with joy and ease.